How to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to talk about how can you verify the Bitcoin on the Cash App. In order to verify your Bitcoin, tap on your profile icon. This is at the top right corner of the home screen. Then tap on Enable Bitcoin. You may also need to scroll down to find this option. Then tap on Bitcoin verification and enter your personal information. Cash App will ask for your legal name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your Social Security number, SSN. In some cases, Cash App will also ask for your full SSN, address, government issued photo ID, or a proof of income. Cash App states that all submitted information is encrypted and securely sent to their service. Wait for the verification. This process usually takes about 48 hours, though it could be longer than if you had to supply more information. With Cash App being as popular today, you might want to transfer money from the Dasher direct to your Cash App account. Unfortunately, DoorDash does not directly support this. However, there are workarounds and that are quick and do not cause significant delays in receiving your money. So this was all about how to verify Bitcoin on the Cash App. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.